Move location. Snap locations to walls, doors, and windows. Openings are prioritized to align rooms accurately. Walls near each other are automatically recognized as one wall and the thickness is set automatically. Auto thickness. With Sketch and Tap, measuring a new room from the door will set the wall thickness automatically. Curved walls. Draw and resize curved walls easily. Measure them by selecting a point on it and then measuring its distance from the two other corners. It is not required to measure a dedicated point, for example the center, the curve, but any point of it can be freely chosen. Doors and windows can also be placed onto them as regularly, and they can also be measured the same way as we normally did it on straight walls. Measurement tolerance. On this drawing, there is a 4 cm measurement error on a common wall between two rooms. When aligning the room beside other two locations, it will snap automatically. OrthoGraph recognizes that this should be a common wall with common shape, so the common wall is resized to fit the other room properly. The difference in size is displayed in brackets beside the original measurement distance value. Insert corner. You can now add a corner to a wall with a simple tap. Move it to a new location easily and snap them to an angle with the same movement. This way, it became very easy to add housing or additional corners to any wall. Expanded Object Library. OrthoGraph's object library has been extended with many new BIM objects based on user requests. There are many new 3D objects as well as 2D symbols to be used to build the 3D BIM model. The OrthoGraph platform. OrthoGraph became a platform of creating and editing 3D BIM models on-site or in the office. Upload projects to OrthoGraph Cloud easily. Share it to view or edit with your colleagues or clients. By sending the read-only link via an email, the recipient can also view the new real estate datasheet in a simple web browser. This also includes all attached images or a 3D BIM model view of the project. Graphical elements in the 3D BIM model contain all properties, also with attached photos. Every element in the OrthoGraph app or in 3D model view can have their respective reference links that can be used to share them with colleagues both on a desktop or a mobile device. Enterprise. From now on, OrthoGraph can be integrated with any external system like computer-aided facility management, maintenance management, or any kind of ERP system that needs accurate 3D BIM graphical data on-site or in the office.